Reinvent dog care with these fantastic tips. Dogs are unlike any other animals you can own as a pet. They love you unconditionally, cheer you up when you are down, and want you to love them as much as they do you. This video will tell you how to make your dog's life as amazing as it deserves it to be. Your dog needs a stimulating environment if it is going to live a long and healthy life. Providing him or her with one is not really that hard. Simply make sure you take your dog for walks each day, and purchase a few toys that you and your pet can play with together. If your dog gets lost, it is very unlikely that you will see him again unless he has proper identification. Tags can come off, so the best option is a microchip. It is quick to put in your dog, and it causes minimal discomfort. Simply register the chip ID after it is put in, and your pet will always have his identification with him. Never lose your temper or punish your dog if you find that they did something wrong. Negative reinforcement will simply make your dog scared, which will make it difficult for you to train them. Use positive reinforcement at all times to get your dog to cooperate when teaching him new things. Some people think that it is necessary to bath a dog often. The truth is that unless your dog gets into something to get dirty, they only need bathed once every 2 to 4 months. Bathing more often could strip their skin of the oils they need for a healthy coat and skin. Don't assume your toy-sized dog's bite isn't dangerous, just because he's little. A lot of owners brush off training, thinking that the smaller breed dog can get away with a little bad behavior, and this isn't true. As a responsible canine master, you've got to make certain your dog does not pose a threat to anyone by having him well trained. If you're trying to break one of your dog's unwanted habits, make sure that you understand that it will not happen overnight. Breaking a habit takes time and patience. Don't get discouraged and give up if it seems like your pup isn't making progress. Keep at it and maybe try changing your approach to the training. Sometimes this can be the boost that your dog needs. All of these hints are now at your fingertips, so it is time to make use of them. Take them each, one by one, and start using them every day. The more you change about your dog's life, the better it will be overall. A happy dog makes for a happy owner, after all. A professional dog trainer reveals 21 brain games that will skyrocket your dog's intelligence, obedience, and overall behavior. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. You can also discover the secret to making your dog's problem behaviors disappear. Visit wickedsmartdog.com. Or, do you want to learn how to teach your dog to play the piano? How amazing would that be? Please visit wickedsmartdog.com to learn this and more. Link in the description.